In this video, I will walk you through the process of cancelling a pending payment within the Lloyds bank, but first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So to get started, let's open up a web browser and navigate to lloyds.com. From there, write in the search bar how to delete a pending transaction. Within the next page, you'll find guidance on how to cancel a pending transaction. It mentions that you may have the option to cancel a pending credit or debit card transaction by reaching out to the merchant and requesting the cancellation. However, timing is crucial in this scenario. If you contact the seller within a day or two, it's more likely to result in a smoother cancellation of the process. But if the payment has already been processed, you'll need to take additional steps. This includes filing a dispute or initiating the refunds process to recover your funds. As I mentioned earlier, timing is important here, so it's essential to reach out to the seller or merchant before they ship the goods or services to your location after the payment has been made. In case you need further assistance, you can press the button Contact Us to have more help from Lloyds Bank customer service. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.